Hi, I'm Jeannie Case, Library Director at the Palm Springs Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable snowman bottle cap ornament. You can also add a magnet to put it on your refrigerator. You'll want to make these for your friends or just keep one for yourself. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make our bottle cap snowman ornaments. Bottle caps, 3 for each ornament. You can get these at Amazon, the unprocessed bottle caps. Ribbon, your choice. Take your pick. It's fun to do 2 different colors, so pick a couple of colors that you like. White paint, we use acrylic paint. This is just some 50-cent apple barrel paint. You'll get a little sample. Black and orange permanent markers. This one is an ultra fine tipped marker. Just any old white glue. Scissors, don't really need to show you the scissors. A Q-tip, that's what we're going to use to paint with. And if you want to make this a refrigerator magnet, a little magnet. There you go. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to paint the bottle caps. So I'm going to use the acrylic paint. You can use any white paint. It doesn't matter. You can even use white nail polish or white correction fluid. So it's really simple, just something white. So we're just going to paint the inside of our caps. Just smooth it on. Okay, now that we've got those painted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let those dry, and I've got 3 that I've already let dry, so we're going to do a TV switcheroo. Now, you can do this in any order. You can glue them onto the ribbon. You can draw the faces first. I'm going to draw the faces first in case I make a mistake and I don't have to undo them. So one thing you can do is practice making your snowman faces and carrot nose on a piece of paper, whatever. So let's hope we do it perfectly this time. I'm gonna draw the eyes and the smiley face and just make dots. Okay, now that we've drawn the face and the buttons, it's time to add the nose. If you make a mistake, just paint over and start again. Okay, now that we have our face and buttons drawn onto the snowman, we want to glue it onto a ribbon. Pick any color you like. It's your choice. I think I'm gonna to it so that I have a little bit of ribbon left at the bottom. Just use any old white glue. Okay, now we're going to make the scarf. Take your other ribbon and just wrap it around the outside of your ornament. And you can always cut it. Just cut off a little length. And you can tie it, or you can glue it. You can tie it and glue it. Whatever works for you. And be careful, this is still drying. I think I'm just going to glue it. Okay, now that we've finished, I hope you had a great time doing our Bottlecap Snowman Ornament. Here's mine, finished product. I added a little magnet on the back so I could put it on the refrigerator, but you can put it on your tree too. So be sure to check out our website, pslibrary.org, and for other activities and events. We thank you. Happy holidays. Have a great time making this cute little ornament. Bye-bye.